Anyone who's ever used a steam cleaner will love it more than regular scrubbing. I feel like I can't live without it now. I simply can't get those hard-to-reach grime spots out of reach without it. It lets you reach into those tiny nooks and crannies that a sponge simply can't. This machine even comes with a variety of different attachments, so you can use it to clean almost anything in every room. It's truly versatile. It's currently having a huge limited time sale on TikTok with free shipping. So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.